How to control iPhone using facial expression. So here is how to do so. So let's get started. iOS 26 introduces face control part of accessibility. It lets you navigate, tap, scroll, and open apps using facial gestures. So first of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, you'll get to see accessibility option available there. Simply tap on it. Then once inside the accessibility, scroll and you can see head tracking option available there. Simply tap on the head tracking. Now once inside the head tracking, you will get to see various options available such as raise eyebrows, open mouth, smile, and many more. All you have to do is simply choose one of these. Simply select a facial expression and then assign an action for each gesture. You can see there are options like tap, home, swipe, and other custom gesture as well. Simply assign an action, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.